Welcome. If you manage a Telegram channel and want to prevent certain admins from sending messages, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest steps to control admin permissions and keep your channel organized. Start by opening your Telegram app. Make sure you're logged in and have the necessary rights to manage your channel's settings. Once you're in, navigate to the channel where you want to adjust admin permissions. Next, tap on the channel's name at the top of the screen. This opens the channel information page, where you'll find all the key details and management options. Look for the Edit button, often represented by a pencil icon, and tap it to access the channel's settings menu. From here, select the Administrators section. This will display a list of everyone who currently has admin privileges in your channel. Scroll through the list and tap on the admin whose permissions you want to change. Now you'll see a detailed list of permissions for that specific admin. Find the option labeled Manage Messages or Post Messages. To stop this admin from sending messages in the channel, simply unmark or toggle off the Post Messages permission. After you've made your selection, don't forget to save your changes. Look for a Save or Checkmark button, usually in the top right corner, and tap it to confirm. Your settings will update immediately, and that admin will no longer be able to send messages to the channel. This process gives you complete control over who can post content, helping you maintain the quality and focus of your channel. If you ever need to adjust permissions again, just repeat these steps. Thanks for tuning in. For more tips on managing your Telegram channels and groups, make sure to check out our other guides. Stay organized and keep your community running smoothly.